Today I would like to teach you chapter 2nd of poetry section from Flamingo. An elementary school classroom in a slum. So now I am going to tell you about the poet. This poem has been taken down or written by Stephen Spender. He was an English poet and essayist. He left University College Oxford without taking a degree and went to Berlin in 1930. He took a keen interest in politics and declared himself to be a socialist and pacifist. So in the given poem, the poet describes about social injustice and inequalities. Inequalities. In the given poem, the poet says that there was an elementary school which was situated in a slum. In a slum. The children were getting their education in an elementary school classroom. They were sitting inside of the classroom, but they were far away from the gusty waves. It means they were not getting fresh air. They did not know anything about sea waves, and their hair were like beetless roots. Their hair were uncombed and scattered around their pallor face. And inside of the classroom, the poet looks at a girl. The girl was sitting inside of the classroom with a heavy head because the girl was belonging to a slum area, and she wanted to come out of the condition of the slum. So she wanted to come out and she wanted to improve her fate at any cost, but she was helpless. After that, the poet saw a boy. The boy was sitting inside of the classroom. He was undernourished. And he was suffering from a problem. Means he was suffering from a parental disease named a twisted bone disease. It appeared that he had acquired the disease from his father. At the back side of the classroom, there was a sweet and young boy. He was sitting in the dim light at the back side of the classroom, and he was unnoticed. And he was lost in the sweet dreams of squirrel's game. After that, the poet describes about the condition of the walls of the school classroom. Now it was not good. It was rough. It was very bad. And on the walls there were donations and picture of the head of Shakespeare and the map of the world. The picture of the head of Shakespeare and the map of the world were useless things for slum children because they needed basic things. And the picture of the head of Shakespeare shows that he was a learned person of English literature, but the slum children did not know anything how to read and write. And the world map only shows the developed countries, rivers, mountains, and other things. But the world map does not show the slum area. So that's why the poet calls Shakespeare a big person, and the world map is a bad example. After that, the poet says that governor, inspector, and visitor should take the responsibility to improve the condition of the slum children. They should give a chance. They should give a chance to them to see the world, the green fields, mountain, rivers, and sea waves. And they should also give a chance to them to study well, because one of them may be a doctor, engineer, scientist, professor, etc. So this is the summary of this chapter, and in this chapter you will get some difficult words such as gusty. Gusty means strong, and torn means uncommon, stunted means undernourished, gnawed means twisted, lead means grey blue sky, catacombs means graveyard. After that, now I am going to give some homework which is based on this chapter. First question number first, write the central theme of the poem. And question number second, why were the faces of the children pale?